Be honest. You sleep 8 hours but still wake up exhausted. The alarm rings, you hit snooze, and another day slips away. You scroll your phone, promising today will be different, but by the afternoon, your brain feels heavy. You are wasting time, chasing comfort, and letting your potential fade. Stop blaming your lack of sleep. You are not lazy, but your sleep system is broken. Your mind never completely shuts down because you refuse to disconnect. You don't need more hours in bed. You need discipline. Commit to exactly 6 hours of clean sleep to match your body's natural cycles. Cut your screen time an hour before bed. In the morning, step into the cold light immediately. Do not touch your phone. When the afternoon fog hits, face the discomfort. Take a 20-minute intentional rest. Sit up, close your eyes, and reboot your mind. Endure the pain of breaking your old routine. Stick to this rhythm consistently. Soon, the mental fog will completely vanish. You will stop forcing motivation and start operating with an unbreakable focus. You will become unrecognizable. The system drains you, but you control your actions. You can stay comfortable and tired, or you can build a smarter rhythm. Take control of your life. Start moving right now.